Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best laminate kit is probably one of the most essential tools for a successful DIY home improvement project, saving you time and frustration by providing all the necessary components in one convenient package, ensuring a smooth and efficient installation process, ultimately leading to a beautiful and long-lasting laminate floor that enhances your home's aesthetic appeal and increases its value. So let's dive in and explore what makes a great kit. Number 5. REXBETI Flooring Kit. This kit has everything you need for a professional laminate or hardwood floor installation. It's designed to make the job easier and faster. Its high-strength fiberglass handle won't break or bend, and the rubber head absorbs vibrations for a controlled strike. The larger head delivers more power than other brands. This pull bar is thicker and longer than standard bars, providing extra strength and durability. The soft pads protect your floor from scratches. The tapping block is made from solid polypropylene, ensuring it can withstand repeated use. It's suitable for most flooring types. With 40 spacers included, you'll be able to install a large flooring area quickly and easily. They ensure consistent spacing between planks. The kit includes everything you need: a mallet, pull bar, tapping block, and 40 spacers. Get professional results with ease. What we like. It boasts an extra powerful mallet and a reinforced pull bar, built to withstand even the toughest jobs. If you're tackling a large flooring area and need durable tools that won't let you down, this kit is your best bet. Its superior strength and larger spacer count make it ideal for extensive projects. What people say. This set has a two-sided mallet. I found the yellow metal side ideal for hammering boards on the long groove side together and the rubber ideal for hammering boards on the short end into each other. The spacers are in two pieces like a wedge, and you do have to put two of them together to get the proper edge spacing you need for installing a laminate floor like Pergo. This set also comes with a small pry bar with a long and short edge. This worked great when reaching the end of the row to seat all the floorboards into each other tightly. Number 4. WORKPRO Flooring Kit. This kit has everything you need for a professional-looking floor. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It's made from durable cast iron with a comfortable hickory handle. The double-sided head protects your flooring while providing a solid strike. This heavy-duty pull bar is made from premium steel for strength and durability. The soft pads protect your floor from scratches. The solid polypropylene tapping block provides a stable and sturdy base for your installation. It's designed to withstand repeated use. These non-slip spacers ensure even gaps between your floor planks for a professional finish. They're included for your convenience. It's ideal for laminate, LVP, LVT, vinyl plank, and hardwood flooring. Give yourself the gift of beautiful floors. What we like. This kit features a reinforced mallet and pull bar, ensuring they can handle the wear and tear of installation. If you value quality and durability above all else, and need a kit that will last, this is the one for you. Its robust construction makes it perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. What people say. This kit saved me so much time and frustration while installing my LVP. I was about to give up when I learned about these kits on a YouTube video, and once I got it, I was able to knock out my project in just a few hours. The pull bar is heavy gauge and has felt pads so it doesn't scratch the floor as you use it. The spacers came in handy as well. Installed 650 square feet of flooring with this kit and it worked perfectly. The mallet are just what you need. Number 3. EZARC Flooring Kit. This kit has everything you need for a smooth installation. It includes all the essential tools to make the job easier and more convenient. It features a high-strength fiberglass handle and a non-slip rubber grip to absorb vibrations. The double-faced rubber head provides a controlled strike. The extra-thick steel pull bar protects your flooring, and the premium rubber tapping block handles even tough jobs. It's suitable for various flooring thicknesses. These comfortable, waterproof knee pads provide excellent support and protection while you work, making the process easier on your knees. With 60 wedge spacers, you'll have plenty to ensure even spacing across your entire floor. The serrated edges help keep them in place. What we like. It's the most comprehensive kit, including everything you need plus added comfort features. If you want convenience and protection during installation, this kit is the clear winner. The extra spacers and knee pads make for a more comfortable and efficient installation process. What people say. This works just like a previous, but similar product that I once used. The previous product is no longer available. The hammer was good quality. Just hard enough to bounce everything in without damaging it. Pull bar was more than adequate. Very solid build. The soft cushion on the bottom is a nice touch because without, it would really scratch your floors. Number 2. Roberts 10-26 Kit. This kit is perfect for your smaller DIY laminate flooring projects. It has everything you need to get started, including spacers for proper expansion and contraction. Installing laminate flooring has never been easier. The tapping block and pull bar make joining pieces a breeze, ensuring a professional finish. It includes wedges to maintain the correct spacing from walls, preventing issues with expansion and contraction of your new floor. This kit comes with 30 spacers, a tapping block, and a pull bar, everything you need for a successful installation. It also includes easy-to-follow instructions in 3 languages, making the installation process simple and straightforward. For larger installations, consider Roberts professional pull bars, tapping blocks, and wedge packs for increased efficiency. It's suitable for both glue-down and floating flooring installations, offering versatility for your project. The extra thick wedges ensure proper spacing and support for your new floor, preventing issues down the line. What we like. This kit is perfect for smaller projects and is easy to use, even for beginners. If you're tackling a small DIY project and don't need a lot of extra features, this kit offers great value. Its simplicity makes it ideal for quick and easy installations. What people say. If you plan on doing your own vinyl plank flooring, do not settle for anything other than Roberts. They have been in the flooring industry for years and this is the best product out there. Very sturdy for laminate installation. Does the job well. We had right around 1,000 square feet of laminate wood flooring to install and had never installed it before. So my husband watched a YouTube video using a similar set, ordered this, and things couldn't have gone any better. He originally thought he would only be using the pull bar, but he wound up using everything in the set. He completed 3 bedrooms, 4 closets, 2 hallways and a great room living dining using this set, and all the pieces held up perfectly and everything is in good condition to be able to use again should we ever need to do more flooring. The flooring we installed was Traffic Master and we would definitely recommend this set to anyone installing a similar floor. The results look very professional in our opinion. Number 1. ValueMax Flooring Kit. This kit has everything you need for a professional laminate or hardwood floor installation, saving you time and money. It's perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Its double-faced mallet head won't fall off, providing a softened yet effective strike every time. The lightweight yet tough, non-slip handle ensures comfortable and safe use. This extra thick pull bar is designed for strength and durability, preventing bending and damage. Its wide front edge and felt pads protect your flooring planks. The solid polypropylene tapping block is built to withstand repeated use, providing reliable support during installation. It's sturdy and won't break easily. The extra thick foam knee pads offer superior comfort and protection, while the 30 included spacers ensure precise and even gaps between planks. These are designed for long-lasting comfort and ease of use. What we like. This kit prioritizes comfort and durability with its reinforced mallet, wide pull bar, and protective knee pads. If you're looking for a balance of comfort and strength during installation, this kit is an excellent choice. The added comfort features make long installation jobs much more manageable. What people say. These tools made installing the floor easy. They were very functional and pulling together the floating floor pieces. They were tough and good quality, a solid weight. This product makes so much easier to install vinyl flooring. The knee pads are simple heavy-duty foam with Velcro straps. I am 57 and 300 pounds and they worked perfectly over and over. Still using them for other jobs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.